The other names of green logistic can be the eco-friendly logistic or environmental friendly, that is user friendly, and
sustainable logistic.
sustainable growth also, that is also the other name of
If there are any question you can ask class. My question is, what do you mean by zero emission?
The term zero emission means, suppose if I give an example, there is a car that runs on the fuel that will produce the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, that degrades the environment. Okay, but when we compare that vehicle with the electric one that doesn't produce any kind of harmful gases that mainly degrade the nature, so that doesn't get any kind of emission, that is the zero emission, and that India wants to fulfill till 2050.
Any other question? Vishal, just tell me in short how green logistics can benefit the organization.
The green logistic can benefit the organization in a way. I will give an example. Like in our mind, we think about our nature, our mother nature. But when we go to a shop, we simply demand for when you have a plastic baggage or plastic thing or not. But when we went to like a good mall like P2, there they provide us a carry bag. Okay, that doesn't cost a lot. It's around 3 rupees or 4 rupees. That gives you the psychological impact also. That yes, that company is having worries about the nature, and many of the companies also promotes the environmental things like many of the NGOs that mainly cleans the city,
Plantation.
cleans the water, drainage system,
Plantation.
and how they contribute to the nature and contribute to the environment. So we are having a goodwill of that one. We are having a kind of a praise, or you can say a good thinking of goodwill of the company. That is how that impacts the green logistics, and it also helps the nature.
Enhances the reputation and goodwill of the organization. Okay, from this side? Yes?
How green logistic is a competitive advantage for an organization?
Green logistic can be a competitive advantage for the organization just because when we use the green logistic, that reduces the cost. For an example, if I use electric vehicle over the diesel vehicle, which one will cost more? The diesel one, because the electricity price is less than the diesel. That is where the cost get decreased over the use of the those things that are done over the natural gases or natural oil, rather than the energy consumption can be done, and the cost reduction can also be done with the use of the green logistic.
इको फ्रेंडली तो और एक्स्ट्रा में क्या बेनिफिट है इसका एडवांटेज क्या हो सकता है मुझे जान रहे इको
How
फ्रेंडली सिस्टम के लिए
organization can get competitive advantages by using
Price reduction. Using electricity, using the solar power panel over the factories, that can reduce the price, that can reduce the cost of the production and cost of the manufacturing.
It will also enhance the reputation and goodwill among their competitors. Nice, very nice. Any other question?
जैसे कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है जिसको पैकेजिंग करने के लिए प्लास्टिक का यूज़ किया जा सकता है, जैसे कि कोई खाने पीने का प्रोडक्ट है, ठीक है, तो उसको पैकेज करने के लिए प्लास्टिक का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो वहाँ पर इको फ्रेंडली कैसे?
There can be eco-friendly. Just have you seen the box of that Maaza bottle, Maaza box that comes around 10 rupees?
Tetra Pak.
Okay, that is having the layer of the plastic inside that bottle, inside that pack only. We have to reduce as much as we can possible.
Yes.
Not 100%. It cannot be achieved almost 100%. But we have to do as much as can possible.
Any other question? Okay, thank you, Vishal. Nice.